Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon. Ito-test natin kung may natutunan yung mga estudyante ko sa akin. So basic things you should know. Number 1, AIS.
Number 1, AIS or Automatic Identification System. This system helps to identify and track each other. And this shares the direction, location, and speed to help to prevent accident and improve safety at sea.
Okay, so add lang din siguro, no? AIS provides vessels information kahit ng ibang barko din. Okay, to avoid any maritime accident. So, AIS. Go to GPS.
GPS, Global Position System, gives the ship exact position. And the GPS naman, sir, ito yung mas accurate sa GPS. Yung error ng GPS, mas technology to the GPS, sir. Ayun lang, sir.
Okay, sige.
Thank you, sir.
Add dun sa sinabi niya, so if we're going to compare GPS, a lot of error in terms of shift position. Sa differential GPS naman, yan na po yung real-time and no error na ginagamit on board. So ilang DGPS meron sa barko?
Dalawa po. Lahat po ng system sa barko dalawa.
Radar.
Radar, ito, radio detection and ranging. Ito po yung dinidetect yung first speed or distance ng ship, especially kapag foggy, rainy, gano'n. And then sa ARPA naman, automatic radar plotting aid, ito yung dinidetect yung speed, yung course ng mga ibang barko within the radar.
Okay, ano purpose ng radar and ARPA?
To avoid collision avoidance, especially when it is foggy, rainy, hindi makita yung surroundings to the naked eye.
Okay, so hindi lang siya sa rainy or foggy. So, both radar and ARPA po functions for collision avoidance sa kahit anong sitwasyon. Okay, kahit anong situation, foggy man, open sea, good visibility. So, ganun yung purpose ng radar. Okay, ECDIS.
ECDIS is Electronic Chart Display and Information System. The purpose of ECDIS is to route monitoring and passage planning.
Okay, so maganda yan. Yan yung purpose. Sa lahat po ng mga paper chart ngayon, ECDIS na po yung gamit natin on board.
Dito po na dinedetect po yung distance po sa parehas lang po sila ng UKC. Dito sa UKC po, yung other grants, yung kung ano yung distance ng hill po sa baba po.
Ano yung baba?
Land.
Seabed. Okay, so seabed. So, ay sounder talks about the underkeel clearance. So, yun yung equipment para maiwasan yung grounding. BNWAS.
BNWAS or Bridge Navigational Watch Alarm System. So basically, it's served as an alarm system to those who watch in the bridge navigational control to avoid collision or grounding of the ships.
Or pagtulog.
Yes, po.
So, huwag na huwag matulog sa duty, no?
Sir, sir.
At pati sa klase, huwag matulog, ha? Sir!